Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I would like to present about the how do we determine the number whether it is a perfect square or not. So we have the number here which is 324. So what we do is we try to prime factorize it first. So we first divide it by 2, so we get 162. And then what we do with that is, because the number can further be divided by 2, so we divided by 2, which we get 81. We keep on repeating this process. So because 81 actually cannot be divided by 2, so we try to divide it by 3, so we have 27. And then 27 we can further divide it by 3, which is we can get 9. Further divide by 3, we get 3, and further divide by 3, then we get 1. So when we get 1, so now we have fully factorized, prime factorize all of the number. So we can say that 324 is a product of 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So there are 4 3 over there, and also there are two number of 2, twice the number of 2. So for this number, actually we can regroup it into two equal number, because when we want to find the perfect square, so we have to express the number as a multiple of two equal number. So this these factors, I can regroup it into two similar number, because I have 2 the number of 2 and 4 number of 3. So I can regroup one group contain one number of 2 and two number of 3, and the other one also have the same number of 2 and same number of 3, which is one number of 2 and two number of 3. So we can express 324 as 2 times 3 times 3 and squared, because squared, the division of squared is the multiple of a number by itself. So finally we get 18 square. So from here we know that 324 is a perfect square, because it can be expressed as 18 times 18, which is the 18 square. So for the next example, I will use 45. We try to determine whether 45 is a perfect square. So we can divide 45 by a prime factor. For example, I divide 45 by 5, so we get 9. And then what we do with 9 is we further divide it by another prime factor. So we can divide it by 3, and we get 3. And then we further divide it until we get 1. So when we get 1, we know that we have fully factorized all the factors, all the prime factors for 45. So we can express 45 as a multiply between number 5, number 3, and number 3. So if we look at this number, we have only one number of 5 and then two number of 3. Since we cannot regroup these three number into two same group of two same number into two group, so we say that 45 is a not perfect square. So I think that's all. Hope you understand. Thank you.